Hey, it's Kia here. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, then you already know I'm back with another video. Today we are going to be doing these butterfly distress locks. I think they are so cute and they so different from me, so I wanted to go ahead and try them out. So I'm starting off by sectioning my hair. I decided to do free, I guess it would be like free parts. I don't know, like, it's not really like a structure to it. You just kind of parting and going with it. I wanted to do that because I always like do squares, so I wanted to try to do something different. So I did the free part, and then I am just braiding it down. Of course, I am using some what is it called, y'all, what is it called? Some jam, but it's the Braiders jam, the red jar. I don't know exactly what it's called, but I'll leave it in the description. And I'm just putting that on the roots and then working it through and then brushing and combing it out, and then I'm just braiding it down. Okay, so after I am all done braiding, I am going to start doing the crochet, or not the crochet, well, you do crochet it in first. I definitely did this off camera first and then came back because, y'all, that has just been too repetitive showing all this a million times. Like, no. So I take two pieces of this spring twist hair, excuse me, and I just kind of break it apart like that, and then I put the crochet needle in underneath the braid, and then I just crochet the hair through, and then I pull one side through, and then I'm just taking one little section to wrap around. So what you want to do is you're going to wrap around the base a couple times just to make sure it's tight and it's in there. And then what you're going to do is you're going to loop it around, but you're going to put your thumb through the hair as you loop, like every other time that you wrap around. I don't know if that makes sense. You really got to watch it to pick it up, but I'm going to show y'all a few times in the video, like in different angles up close, and try to show y'all the best that I can. I'm sorry if it's not that good, but I really try to show y'all the best to my ability. And I tried to kind of go slow. Even though it's sped up, I try to slow down so that y'all can see, but y'all see what I mean. Like, I really was trying to show y'all. And then after you do that and you get it to the desired length, you're going to fold it and then you're going to wrap back up, doing the same exact thing. And then when you wrap it all the way up until the end, it literally will stay. You don't have to use no glue, you don't got to knot it, nothing. That's why I love this, because it was so easy. So once I was done, I literally loved it, y'all. It was so freaking cute and so easy, and like just a really relaxed style. Like I was able to put it up and stuff, so I'm gonna show y'all a little clip of me putting it up. But y'all, it was so freaking cute. I went ahead and added some little accessories too, y'all. Literally loving this hairstyle. So make sure you like, subscribe, leave y'all comments down below, and ring that bell so you get notified every time I post. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.